So I've got a hole here, and I'm like, it's about that big. I got to scrap a sheetrock in my truck. That's all it takes to cut sheetrock. One little schooler, snap it both ways. That's about yay big. It dries. It'll say like 20 minutes or 45 minutes, and it'll give you a time period. So you've cut this out. You see, I haven't even used a tape measure. Got this. Got all your tools in here. It's a keyhole saw. Trailer. So now, haven't measured anything, haven't done anything fancy. I'm just using regular, just joint compounds with this. You see guys that do this now. I have come into people's houses and fixed where they've attempted to do patches before. And you're like, woo, best thing, as my father-in-law says, is mud and sheetrock, hit it and get it. Hit it and get off of it, walk away from it. You keep putting a whole lot on there, you're just gonna make a big old mess. So spread it behind there, work your way from the inside out. If you don't have enough area, peel it back. And the other thing most people don't do is think about sanding later. You don't want to leave yourself a whole bunch of mess. Knock that thing down a little. You just come around your outside edge. Same thing. Try to knock it down so you're not having a whole lot of sanding. That would dry out. You come back and do one more thin coat after that. Get you one of those cheap sanding blocks for a couple of bucks at Home Depot or Lowe's. Go in, run that thing into it. I enjoy working with my hands. This is a post from an actual customer's house that was standing holding up the corner of their porch.